Tory Burch are expensive.
Medyo pangit lang talaga na tarnish siya. Tarnish siya, hindi siya faded.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you a new bag from our collection. So this bag is from Tory Burch. So, ayan, just to share with you guys, wala pa akong naging Tory Burch bag na brand new. Tory Burch are expensive, especially pag mga 10,000 and up na bags. So, talagang okay lang ako sa pre-love bags basta they are still in good condition and they are original. So, yan. So, this is the bag. Ayan siya. This one is a sling bag, by the way. Ayan. And this one is, as you can see, color black. So, wala kasi akong makita na hardware yung ganito. So, mas gusto ko sana na hardware yung pinaka-logo niya. Kaya lang guys, may cons din kapag hardware yung pinaka-logo. Kasi meron akong ilang pre-love bags na hardware siya dito. So, nagtatarnish siya or nag-fade yung kanyang hardware kapag ganon. So, mas okay na rin siya na leather lang. Leather yung parang pinaka-logo niya dyan. So, kaunti lang yung pinaka-metal hardware niya. So, kapag ganon, mas kaunti yung mag-fade at yung magtatarnish.
So, yan siya guys. Let's have a look of the entire body ng bag.
This is a lens now.
Yan siya. Ayan. The bag is still in good condition. Ayan. Sobra as in lahat ng kanya mga rubber linings are all intact. Walang crackings. Ayan. In very good condition, especially yung mga corners. Walang rubs, walang fading sa leather. Ayan. As in, still in very good condition yung kanyang leather. Plus, the hardwares dito sa kanyang chain part here. Actually, ito hindi ko pa natanggal. Ayan. Gold na golden siya, guys. Even yung pinaka-ring niya doon sa loob, ayan, gold na gold pa din siya. So, meron siyang minor sign of usage. Tago naman yung kanyang pinaka-sign of usage, guys. So, dito siya. As you can see, ayan, yung kanyang pinaka-magnet closure. Medyo pangit lang talaga na tarnish siya. Tarnish siya, hindi siya faded. So, nag-tarnish na siya, guys. And dito naman, sa kabila, dito faded, parang medyo nag-silver. Tapos gold pa naman. Yan siya. So, the hardwares are all still in good except the magnet. Tapos yung spring strap niya are still very good condition. Even yung hardware niya dyan, gold na gold yan siya dyan. Tapos, meron pa siyang tassel dito na pure leather. This one is detachable. If I want to remove it, I can just easily remove it. Then, apart from that, guys, ayan. I'm so sorry, wala tayong ring light right now. Meron siyang metal plate. Ayan. Naka-hologram yung kanyang Tory na logo inside the lining. Tapos yung lining niya, hindi siya nahahatak. So, naka-stitch siya inside. Then, meron siyang jelly tag on the side. The metal plate is still gold. It's just that meron siyang konting hairline scratches. So, yun siya guys. Meron lang siyang isang open pocket here. And that's all. So, this one, this bag can fit my phone, may small to medium size na wallet, a few cosmetics, ayan, small na suklay, tsaka yun. Yun lang talaga. Yung kapag ka mga minimal lang yung kailangan kong dalhin or ako lang mag-isa yung aalis, ayan, pwedeng-pwede kong gamitin to. Pero syempre, kapag may kasama akong mga bata, kung ito yung dadalhin ko na bag, for sure, meron pa akong isang bit-bit na tote bag para sa mga things ng mga bata. So, yun siya guys. And this bag, by the way, I bought this from an online thrift store. So, that one is a trusted online thrift store already. And I got this for 5,500. So, for the price of 5,500 compared to buying a brand new, although there is a slight issue inside, which is hindi naman siya ganoon ka-visible on the outside. So, that's totally fine with me. And I can, ayan, really use this bag. So, ayun, thank you so much guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.